Today we are focusing on a math strategy for addition. I like to call it the friendly number strategy. Sometimes you'll hear people call it a different name, maybe nice number strategy, but friendly number strategy is what I prefer to call it. So let's get started. So say I had the number, let's switch to black let's start with black. Okay, so let's say I had, it likes green today. Let's switch to black though. Here we go. So 129, and I was going to add 144 on there. Okay, so let's see. One of those numbers is closer to a 10 than the other. So if you look at it, is 29 closer to a 10 or is 44? You're right, 29. So what do we need to do to get 29 to 30, which is the next 10? Well, we have to add one onto it. But where are we going to get that one? Well, the only place we can get it is from this number over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one from there. I like to just add a little one. We're going to take one from there and we're going to add it to the 129. And 129 becomes 130. And then 144 becomes 143. And then it becomes an easier number to add. So if you could do the mental math in your head, you can do it right here. If it's still a little bit big to do the mental math, you can just write it in working form and add up the place values. So I have 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? And then there is my answer, and I always put it back into my equation. So let's try another one. Let's do this next one with only tens and ones. So we'll do double digit. And so say I had 49 and then I had 24. I'm going to write it in this form for this one. So I have 49 and 24. Which one is closer to a 10, to the next 10? So 49 is 1 away from 50, and then 24 is 4 away from 20, and 6 away from 30. So it's definitely going to be the 49. So we're going to add 1 to 49 to get it to 50, but where are we going to get that one? Well, the only other place we can get it is the 24. So what we do is we take 1 from 24 and we give it to the 49. So 49 becomes 50. And 24 becomes 23 because we took 1 away. So now we have a nice round number to add 23 to. So 50 plus 23 is 73. That's why we call it a friendly number, because it makes it much more simple to do that friendly math in your head. Now, so far, we've only borrowed 1 from the other number. We've taken 1 and then added it to the other one, but it can be more than 1. It doesn't have to always just be 1 away from the next 10. Let's try one that's a little bit different. So right here, I have 23, and then I have 58. So which one is closer? This one is a little tricky because they're very close to both being the closest to the next 10. Okay, 23 is 3 away from the 10, and 58 is 2 away from a 10. So we're going to go with 58. So to make 58 60, we need to take 2 and add it on. We're going to get those 2 from the 23. So we're going to just take 2 from 23. 23 becomes 21, and then 58 becomes 60. And now I have that nice round number. So 60 plus 21 is 81. Okay, friendly number. One more before we go. 11 plus 69. Ooh, they are both 1 away. Which one do we choose? Actually, doesn't matter. You could do either one. This is a very, very, very friendly number, as we say in my classroom. This one is just so friendly. It makes it so nice when we just rearrange the numbers. So 69 is 1 away from 70. So I'm going to take 1 from the 11, and goodness, look at how friendly that becomes. That 11 becomes a 10, the 69 becomes a 70, and 10 plus 70 is 80. Oh my gosh, even the answer is friendly. That's why we call it a very, very friendly number. Okay, so I circle it so my teacher knows where my answer is, and I write it back in the equation. So this is called friendly number. Again, you might hear it as another term, but basically, you're just making it easier for you to do the addition in your head, or at least on paper, not using the algorithm. So, hope this helps. Thanks, everyone.